Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I am doing another toilet, and I do have another video that shows this whole thing about replacing everything in the tank. This is the second toilet that I'm doing, but I did get some new tools, and I wanted to show you this tool in particular. Excuse the shadows. If I put this light on above, it's got a fan also, so I don't want the fan noise. But I've been looking for a good scraper, I call it a soft scraper, for a long time. This is the common one that you find in the kitchen for dishes. But if you're trying to get wheel weights off of a car, or you're trying to get something like this as part of a gasket that's left behind, I'm going to replace it. You have to grab it really hard, and sometimes you have to push really hard. And I just was thinking there's got to be something better, and here it is. This is a heavy-duty plastic. I'll show you the picture of the company that makes it and everything in a minute. But I can tell by the weight of it that it's not a cheap plastic. It doesn't have a lot of bend or flex to it. And I think this is going to be just the ticket for scraping that stuff off of there. A lot easier and more efficiently than that one. Now let me show you the package, and I'll put a link. So here it is. This is ABN, stands for Auto Body Now. It's from an auto body shop actually, and it's for scraping off decals or pinstripes or anything where you don't want to damage the paint underneath. But Froggy's going to come up with a lot of different applications to use this tool. Besides just using it on decals on a car. So there you go. I'll put a link down below. Give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more. And by the way, if you subscribe, you can click on a little bell next to the subscribe, and that gets you notifications if you want notifications. Okay, be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.